My name is Eugene Osai. I'm studying Business Data Analytics. Data seems to be the liquid gold now to be able to have a comparative advantage. Cranford is a prestigious institution, and I think Business Data Analytics at Cranfield will set me apart because of how the teaching is, and I've seen the quality of staff that they have in here. The hands-on experience that we get. It's not just having a lecturer there and they teach you from a theoretical point of view, but we are given real world examples to be able to deal with, and then working with a team to do that. So what I found most inspiring job is being in a class with virtually everyone from a different country, bringing their ideas, their cultures together, and then having to solve questions or having to do assignments with a few of them, and then seeing how they think, coming from different perspectives. The hands-on approach to things, so it's not just being taught, it's about sitting there with my peers, analyzing data sets together. It sets you apart for the real life challenges in this world.